Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. As I've already explained you that in my previous video that whenever hit its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall has come, and this is after pandemic. Okay, what this says that whenever it hits previous high, that suppose this is the first high, it made a swing at this particular level, went upside, made a second high, and from there a sharp fall come, again made a swing at this particular level, went upside, made a third high, and a sharp fall has come fourth time and time. This is where what we have seen, there is a continuous fall. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen after fifth, we have seen there is a fall, sharp fall, and this fall is from 10-50 to even 100%. This fall has come, and this is being repeated in my most of the videos. Okay, now what you can see looking at this particular chart, now it is moving in this particular zone where the 3 is the high. Okay, and this 3 high we have seen in the first week of March. Otherwise after that there is a continuous fall, and it is not touched the level of 2.5 till now. So now it has touched the level of 2.5 and crossed that particular zone and have touched a high of around $2.8, you can see. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, it can go towards a level of $2.7962, and once it sustain above that level, then chances of going further upside is there. Okay, $2.712, this is the zone where once it goes above that particular zone, then chances are very high, because this is the level which is already being weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross a level of $2.882, and then it can touch a level of $3.0306. $3.063 is a weak resistance. Okay, so probability is very high, because this level, if you look at this particular level being tested here twice, so chances will be high that once the price goes above $3, we can see it can cross a level of around 3.157 also, and can go further upside, because chances are very high it can touch a level of $3.338. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then chances of going, once the price sustain this level, chance of going further upside is there. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain, what you can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again towards a level of around $2.580, and if the price fall below that particular zone, then chances of going towards 2.464 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular zone, then chances of going further to low is there. We can see a level of $2.384, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can fall further down towards 2.322. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular zone, then a probability of touching 2.232 is there, and once it fall below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of $2.091. $2.09, it will move out from this zone which is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will come in this particular zone, and chance of touching $1.928 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1.795. and once the price fall below this level, then a chance of going further how low will be there, because this level we have not seen since August of 2020, so chance of going further low is there. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.